Do you want to hear the real sounds from the surface of Mars? NASA's Perseverance rover landed on Mars in February 2021, and from day one onwards, the rover is sending thousands of high-quality photos and videos. During its journey, the rover also recorded hours of audio with a couple of microphones on board. Since the Mars atmosphere is covered by a massive amount of carbon dioxide, it will absorb the high-pitched sounds. Now I will play some recordings captured by the rover. The Perseverance rover also recorded a video while driving on the rocky Mars terrain.